Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes, right? So students, this is our fourth video lecture of EVS chapter number 3, the clothes we wear. Okay, so let's start. So as we all know that we have completed our explanation part of this chapter. So now we are going to start the exercises of this chapter. Fine. Okay. Question 1, objective type questions. In that question A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay. Now chalo, let's start this exercise. Now before starting this exercises, we will look at the summary of this chapter so we can understand all the exercise, or we can complete the exercise very easily. Okay. So first point, clothes protect us from sun, rain, cold and insects bites, right? Clothes protect us from sun, rain, cold and insects bites. That is why we wear clothes. Second point is, the kinds of clothes we wear depends on the weather of the place. The kinds of clothes we wear depends on the weather of the place. If there is summer, then we wear light colored cotton or linen clothes, right? And if there is winter, so we will wear dark colored clothes that are made from wool. And if there is rainy season, then we will wear raincoats made from waterproof material, right? So the kinds of clothes we wear depends on the weather of the place. Then third one is, clothes are made from natural as well as synthetic fibers. Clothes are made from natural as well as synthetic fibers. And the last one is, we should store silk and woolen clothes with mothballs or dried neem leaves, right? From doing that, we can protect our clothes from the insects, right? Fine. Now there are two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers, right? Now fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals are called natural fibers, and the second one is synthetic fibers. So what are synthetic fibers? Fibers that are not found naturally and are made by men are called synthetic fibers. Fine. Okay, so now we can start the exercises. Question A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First question, we wear dash types of clothes in different seasons. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Same or different? We wear same or different types of clothes in different seasons. So the answer is different, right? We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. हम different seasons में different types के clothes पहनते हैं, right? We will not wear the same types of clothes in every season, right? Then second one is, we wear dash light or dark colored clothes in winter. We wear which colored clothes in winter? Light or dark? It is dark, right? We wear dark colored clothes in winter because dark colored clothes absorb more sunlight, right? Dark colored clothes absorb more sunlight. That is why it keeps us warm in the winter. That is why we wear dark colored clothes in winter. Third question, dash raincoats or woolen clothes help us to stay dry during rains. So, what helps us to stay dry during rains? Raincoats or woolen clothes? Of course, it is very simple. It is raincoats. Raincoats help us to stay dry during rains. Now, fourth question, a fabric is made of many thin threads called dash. A fabric is made of many thin threads called yarns or fibers. A fabric is made of many thin threads are called yarns, right? Fabric जो होता है वो बहुत ही thin thread से बना हुआ होता है, उसको हम कहते हैं yarns. Now, fifth one, dash. Fibers are stretchable and can be waterproof, natural or synthetic. Which fiber are stretchable and can be waterproof? It is synthetic. synthetic fibers are stretchable and can be waterproof. Okay. Then question number B. Write T for true and F for false statements. First statement, all clothes are made from the same materials. All clothes are same from the same materials. It is false because not all the clothes are made from same materials. All the clothes are made from different materials, right? So this statement is false. Second one, we wear dark colored cotton clothes in winter. We wear dark colored cotton clothes in winter. This statement is also false, right? Because we wear dark colored woolen clothes, right? Not cotton clothes. We will not wear cotton clothes in winter, right? Cotton के clothes हम सिर्फ summer में पहनते हैं. We wear cotton clothes only in summer, right? So we wear dark colored clothes but not cotton clothes, right? So that is why this statement is false. Third one, wearing full sleeved clothes can protect us from insect bites. Yes, this statement is true. If we gonna wear full sleeved clothes, that help us to from the insects bites, right? It protect us from the insects bites. That is why we wear full sleeved clothes. Fourth one, yarns are made of fabrics. Yarns are made of fabrics. This statement is false, right? Not yarns are made of fabrics, but fabrics made of yarns. yarns जो है वो फैब्रिक से नहीं बनते हैं, बट फैब्रिक्स जो है वो yarn से बनते हैं, राइट? सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज false. Yarns are made of fabrics. No, this statement is false. Then fifth one, woolen and silk clothes need a lot of care. Woolen and silk clothes need a lot of care. Yes, this statement is true, right? Because woolen और silk के clothes होते हैं, उसमें insects बहुत ही easily वो उसको bite कर सकते हैं. That is why woolen and silk clothes need a lot of care. Then question number C, choose the correct options. First question, which of these clothes would you wear at home? Which of these clothes would you wear at home? Options are A, uniform, B, costumes, C, comfortable clothes, and D, none of this. So, we will wear C, comfortable clothes at home, right? Which of these clothes would you wear at home? So, the answer is C, comfortable clothes. At home, we all wear comfortable clothes. Then question number 2. Which of this would you wear to stay dry during rains? Which of this would you wear to stay dry during rains? And your options are A, cotton clothes, B, dark colored warm clothes, C, waterproof clothes, and D, clothes made of linen. Which of this would you wear to stay dry during rains? So, if we want to dry during rain, if we want to stay dry during rains, then we have to wear waterproof clothes, right? So, answer is waterproof clothes. Question 3. Which of these fibers are used to make clothes worn in summer? Which of these fibers are used to make clothes worn in summer? Options are A, silk and cotton, B, silk and wool, C, nylon and polyester, and D, cotton and linen. Which of these fibers are used to make clothes worn in summer? So, in summer, we wear D, cotton and linen clothes, right? These fibers are used to make clothes worn in summer. ये जो फाइबर्स होते हैं, इनको कॉटन एंड लिनन फाइबर्स को इसीलिए इनके क्लोथ्स बनाए जाते हैं क्योंकि इनके क्लोथ्स हम समर में पहन सकें, राइट? ये स्पेशली समर के लिए ही बनाए जाते हैं. देन क्वेश्चन 4, विच ऑफ दिस प्रोसेस इज यूज्ड टू मेक अ फैब्रिक? विच ऑफ दिस processes is used to make a fabric? Options are A. Weaving and knitting, B. Fabrics and fibers, C. Yarns and fibers, and D. All of this. So, which of these processes used to make a fabric? That is A. Weaving and knitting, right? Weaving and knitting are the two processes. With the help of them we can make a fabric. Okay. Now turn the page. Question number 5. Which of these are natural fibers? Which of these are natural fibers? Options are A. Cotton and jute, B. Linen, C. Wool and silk, and D. All of this. Which of these are natural fibers? And your answer is D. All of this, because cotton, jute, linen, wool and silk, these all are the natural fibers. Now natural fibers are what? Fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals are called natural fibers. So this all the fibers are natural fibers. So the answer is D. All of this, right? Then question number 6. Which of this would you the best way to clean woolen coats? Which of this would be the best way to clean woolen coats? Options are A. Wash with good detergent in cold water, B. Dry cleaning, C. Wash with hot water with neem leaves, and D. None of this. So which of this would be the best way to clean woolen coats? That is B. Dry cleaning, right? Dry cleaning is the best way to clean woolen coats. Then question number 7. Which of this is not true about synthetic fibers? Which of this is not true about synthetic fibers? Options are A. They are man-made fibers, B. They are more long-lasting than natural fibers, C. They can be made stretchable and wrinkle-free, and D. None of this. Which of this is not true about synthetic fibers? इन ऑप्शन में से कौन सा ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो सिंथेटिक फाइबर में से सही नहीं है, सिंथेटिक फाइबर के लिए ट्रू नहीं है? दे आर मेन मेड फाइबर्स. इट इज ट्रू. They are more long lasting than natural fibers. Yes, this statement is also true. Third one is they can be made stretchable and wrinkle free. Yes, it is also true. And the last one is none of this. So this all three options are true about synthetic fibers, and we have to choose the option that is not true about the synthetic fibers, right? So the answer is D. None of this, right? None of this is not true about the synthetic fibers. And question 8. Which of this attack woolen clothes if they are not stored properly? Which of this attack woolen clothes if they are not stored properly? Options are A. Neem and mothballs, B. Virus and bacteria, C. Moth and silverfish, and D. Virus and protozoa. So answer is C. Moth and silverfish, right? These insects can attack woolen clothes if they are not stored properly. Then very short answer type questions. In that, A. Give 2 examples for each of the following, right? In this exercise we have to write down 2 examples of each the question. First question. Natural fibers worn in summer. Natural fibers worn in summer. They are cotton and linen, right? Cotton and linen are the examples of fibers that we worn in summer. Then second one. Material used to make raincoats. Material used to make raincoats. So examples are plastic and rubber, right? So plastic and rubber material can be used to make raincoats because these both are waterproof material, right? That is why it keeps us dry in rainy season. So they are plastic and rubber. Then third one, plant fibers. So we have to write down the 2 examples of plant fibers. They are cotton and linen. Cotton and linen fibers are obtained from the plants. Then fourth one, animal fibers. They are wool and silk. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from the animals, right? So they are animal fibers. Fifth one, synthetic fibers. So we have to write down 2 examples of it. So examples of the synthetic fibers are nylon and polyester. Okay. And the last one is insects that attack clothes. Insects that attack clothes. They are moth and silverfish. Just 2 insects that attack clothes. Fine. Then answer the following question. Now students, skip this question answer part, right? We will do in our next video lecture. Then let's move on to another activity, that is let's recall. Recall and complete the concept map given below. Okay. Chalo. First concept. Clothes protect us from. Clothes protect us from. So students, clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold and insects, right? Clothes protect us from heat, rain, cold and insects. इन चारों चीज़ों से क्लोथ्स जो है वो हमें प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, हीट से, रेन से, कोल्ड से, इंसेक्ट्स, बाइट से. फाइन. देन सेकंड कॉन्सेप्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ फाइबर्स. So students, there are 2 types of fibers, natural fiber and synthetic fibers. There are 2 types of fibers, natural and synthetic. Now the examples of natural fibers are cotton and silk, and the examples of synthetic fibers are nylon and polyester. Okay, examples of natural fibers are cotton and silk, and the examples of synthetic fibers are nylon and polyester. Okay. So here complete our last recall part. So students, here we have completed our all the exercise in textbook. So your homework for a day is you have to complete all the exercise in your textbook. Okay. Now if you have any query